welcome back to the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show right here in your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS.
And remember, our goal is always to guide you to personal and financial wellness.
Well, you're going to be glad that you stayed tuned to the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show for the last 6 years. Yes, we've been on straight for 6 years. No, we're actually
It's
on.
time to take a shower, Don.
Yeah, we've been on. Well, that's why we lock ourselves up in the Vault Media Studio. It's our own custom-built studio just for you, right here at Skyline Home Loans off Attorney Road. Skyline Home Loans has been around since 1985, not the new kids in the block. Your local direct lender that cares about you, is accountable to you, is accountable to your real estate agent, and is really getting the job done. And Gino, I'm going to start off this segment with letting you know that Gino's and my goal, we're the branch managers here. We've worked really hard for the last 8 years of designing a new system within the mortgage industry because, unfortunately, especially with the downturn in the mortgage industry and the real estate industry, that we got a black eye. That the mortgage industry has become one of the worst service providers in the world. I mean, literally, we have one of the biggest black eyes because it's okay to close late. It's okay to not have transparency. It's okay to not for things to change at the last minute. Well, Gino and my goal and our entire team, we have 30 of us here now at Skyline Home Loans. That's right, 30 of us here approximately. Our goal is to change that, is to have full transparency, to ask you the right questions, to give you the right loan program based on your particular scenario. No surprises, close on time, help you get your offer accepted. All those things that you are not expecting from a mortgage lender, we're bringing that back to the mortgage industry and to the real estate community, and we love to help you. That is our goal.
I love that you went there, Don, because what we're going to have to talk about is, sometimes it's hard for professionals to talk about the reality of their businesses, right? And the reason is they're not confident enough. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that because the reason that happened in our industry, one of the reasons that happened in our industry is because we had a lack of professionals, because anybody could have come into the mortgage business in the 5, 6, 7, right? In those years, really, you were working at Starbucks, you got recruited to a mortgage company.
Or you're part-time. The butcher's like, would you like, prime rib and
a mortgage,
a refinance?
Yeah, exactly. So what happened is we diluted the pool of professionals. How would you have felt if a surgeon had just started yesterday or a part-time surgeon? Would you be comfortable with that? I wouldn't be comfortable with that. I want a professional. I want someone who's licensed. I want someone who's got experience. I want somebody that came up through the ranks and got mentored by another great surgeon. And that's what we have here in our branch is we have a bunch of great professionals.
Everybody here is top of the line.
And what happens is in order to get that, you have to make sacrifice. Don and I, when we in our interview process, how many times have we said no to salespeople?
And all the time. We still do.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody on our team has less than 10 years experience, for example. Most of them have 15 to 30 years experience on our team. They're the best of the best. We hold them accountable, but they hold themselves accountable too. They wouldn't be on our team. We'd love you to find out more about our team. I mean, we're die-hard Santa Clarita residents that just love our jobs. We absolutely love our jobs. Our team members that support us love our job. Lisa Solis is on our job. She's passionate about our team. For example, she's running our controls. Everybody cares. So go to SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. Guess what? SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com.
And that's not only if you're a consumer looking to purchase or refinance. If you're in the mortgage industry and looking for a great place to work in town, we'd love to sit down with you. If it sounds like a good fit, like somewhere you'd want to work, give us a call. We're always looking for great people.
Yeah, and you can talk to anybody here. You don't even have to talk to us. We don't have to sell you. You can talk to our team members. Whether it's our loan officers that are happy, we have lost none since we started this. Everybody has stayed because we do a great job of supporting them.
We've asked a couple to leave. Fair enough. Part of that dedication is, I got to tell you, we've made some hard decisions to ask some to leave because they weren't of the quality that you deserve.
Actually, we'll throw that out to you, loan officers that think you want to join. Are you good enough?
Right.
Because we only have rock stars on our team that are dedicated and do a great job for their clients.
So moving on, right, we've talked about that's our dedication to you, and that's why we've been growing in town is by doing a great job. Also, be careful in mortgage. It is a business where you get what you pay for. So there's multiple models in this business, right? So there's the online lender. Buyer beware when you're dealing with an online lender.
Right.
So that's the lowest form of lending in the mortgage industry.
Somebody's getting paid $50 to manage your mortgage, the biggest debt and asset of your life.
They're getting paid to take an application, Don. That's all they do.
That's true.
They don't know very much about mortgages. Trust me, we know what call center employees are like.
Wait till you try to call Bob back, and he's no longer with that company when you need help.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, the one thing I can also let you all know out there, because I've been doing this for 30 years now, is the amount of resources we have throughout your life, meaning whenever you have questions, concerns, or anything about your current mortgage, we're always around. Try to go to your previous lenders and see if they're around to help you. Or two, when you need resources such as attorneys or estate planners or college planners or insurance planners or advice on how you should handle your particular scenario, we are always here to give you good advice. And if we don't know, we're surrounded by the best, very best professionals we can find to get you solid advice, because bad advice gets you it puts you in a lot of trouble.
Yeah. So let me tell you one mortgage industry secret, and it's kind of a bank secret, right? So when banks invented amortization, whatever it was, 40, 50 years ago, that doesn't benefit you. That benefits the bank. And you may have heard this before. You probably never did the math on it. It says that you pay all your interest up front. Right?
That sucks.
Yeah. So what that means is when you see an interest rate, let's just say it's 4.5% for argument's sake, in order to actually have a 4.5% rate, you have to make all 360 payments. The midway point on a 30-year mortgage is at year 22. Kind of sucks.
Right.
So most people refinance, sell, move, do something within 5 to 7 years. That means the average interest rate that you pay is somewhere between 40 and 80%. That's right. 40 and 80% is what you're actually paying for in interest. So why would you waste any time shopping for 0.1% and not getting the absolute best advice that you could, and get the absolute best advice to make sure you're in the right product? Don't shop for the right rate, shop for the right product.
All right. And then on top of that, with the tight real estate market right now, let's just say you're searching. There's only so many homes available. You find your dream home, and now you want to try to get your offer accepted. Guess what? Guarantee, because of the tight market, your dream home that you just found, so did 10 other people. So it's imperative. This is not just for us here at Skyline Homes. This is the best tip you can have. You need to work with a highly respected, well-known local real estate professional and a local direct lender that everybody respects and knows.
I know what you're getting at, Don. So here, this is a small community. So if you want a measurement, it's anything over the hill. You know, you can't go over the Newhall Pass, right? We call it the bubble.
Right.
So if you're looking for an agent, find an agent in the bubble if you want to be successful right now as a buyer. Bottom line.
Find a lender, too. Because I know that when they're looking at accepting offers and they look at somebody they don't know from out of the area, a lender they don't know, a real estate agent they don't know, and they're protecting their sellers. They're not looking to try to take a lowball offer or go work with their friend. They're looking to protect their seller by selling it in the time frame that they want and to close a deal. That's your goal. When you sell a home, is to actually sell it, not to go and try to resell it again and again because the lender or the real estate agent did not do their job well enough. So if you work with a local one, they're accountable. And therefore, the listing agent who's selling the home will look at it and go, I trust this real estate agent and I trust this lender. This is the best offer to accept. And we help you with that.
Yeah, it's super important that you work with somebody local. I can't stress it enough how much more successful you'll be by using a local lender other than an internet lender.
I mean, look at our reviews. Go to Yelp and look at our reviews. Go to Zillow. Look at our reviews. We have hundreds and hundreds of great reviews because we care about you. So if you want to find out more, please check out anyone on our team. They're all professionals at SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. That's SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. You can always reach out to us, of course, at Don and Gino at gmail.com. We so appreciate being part of your Saturdays now for over 6 years. And again, find out more at donandgino.com. Anything else, Gino?
No, that's it. Just most importantly, we've asked you over and over again, and this year we said, please take action.
And have a great weekend.